Hey residents, here's your daily borough news bringing you all the UK news with a side of tea. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content. Michael Modern, also known as FraudBae, took to Instagram to speak on his mental health after receiving a horrific tweet. This came as a result of Michael's participation in a ClubHouse room allegedly discussing abuse. The tweet reads, "Ghanaians are so embarrassing. In the room listening to Michael Modern, who created a room, and they're saying it is okay for a woman to be," y'all can read that, "and harassed for the way they are dressed. Michael Modern, please," y'all can read the rest of that, okay, because I'm not going to say it. But this girl has vim for Michael as a response to what he allegedly said. Now, these are some serious allegations, and if he did indeed say those things, then there's a problem here. Michael must have seen the tweet and took to Instagram to say the following. "This is some of the things I have to see and ignore at times, as if I'm not human, as if I haven't got feelings, as if I haven't got sisters, nieces, and many female friends and female supporters who I love and adore so much. To tweet and make up such vile lies about me has pushed me to the limit tonight. I fear for my life at this point. I am a victim of... Do you know the trauma this is causing me, knowing there are people who attach my name to such vile lies, but yet people still expect me to always be the bigger person and ignore. I am tired. Enough is enough. Thank you, and God bless every single person that wants me dead. I hope my death brings you the peace that you seek." Now, this is extremely serious because he is basically alluding to something extremely serious and extremely permanent. Despite this, people are split on whether to support him or not because of his history and the alleged comments he made. Michael originally came on the scene after using a girl's bank account to take his actual girlfriend to Paris. At the time, he didn't seem remorseful and he was dubbed FraudBae. Some are focused on the alleged comments that he made, but some are focusing on his mental health and just the severity of telling somebody to do something like that to themselves. Residents, what do you think? Thank you for listening to Borough News, and please be sure to click the notification bell to gain instant access to our daily news.